What's up? Wait, hold on one second. That's better. What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel yet again. Today we're gonna be trying something to maybe possibly get this transmission to work for a little bit longer. It's pretty bad. So yeah, that's the video for today. I'll be back in a second. Let me show you what we're doing. All right, guys, so today we're going to, it's gonna be a little quick thing I'm going to try. If it kills it, if it doesn't, if it works, it's fine. If it kills it, it's fine. I really honestly don't care. I'm going to attempt to put this in the transmission, this stop slip, because this transmission is slipping incredibly bad. I can't go around a corner without completely losing the transmission. Like, I just revved to like 6,000 RPM and then that's it. So I read online, I researched the shit out of this. I mean, I spent maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours this morning reading up on this. A lot of people say to siphon some of the transmission fluid out. If you're gonna put 24 ounces of this in, take 24 ounces of your transmission fluid out. So that's what we're gonna do. This transmission was, all fluids were changed when I bought it, so it just filled to the right level and everything. So I'm gonna take 24 out, I'm gonna put this in. Let's go over to the hood, let's pop the hood, let's see, make sure it's warm, make sure the levels are good, and then we'll get to pulling it out, and hopefully this works, at least to stop the slipping. Hopefully, one, don't ruin the transmission, two, this works. Also, I'm using this cup because it has 12 ounces right there, and then I'm gonna fill up to 12, to empty it out, fill it back up to 12, that's 24. Don't tell my girlfriend I use this cup. I think she still uses this cup for the gym. Let's go around in the hood. Okay, so the engine is really warm. It's been warming up for about half an hour. I know I'm not supposed to use microfiber, but I don't have anything else, so we'll just deal with this. Honestly, this thing does not look like it has enough transmission fluid in it. Yeah, like that's it, that's all it has in it. Okay, so you know what? I'm not even gonna take any out. Honestly, I'm just gonna put some in. I'm just gonna put that whole bottle in there with this because it honestly doesn't look like there's too much to begin with. So that might be one of the reasons. It's really red, which is good. I'm actually gonna turn the engine on and let it warm up some more, see if maybe it just isn't all the way at the operating temperature. Might have found the source of my problem as to why this transmission is slipping and stuff so badly. Like it was before, but it's gotten a lot worse. There is little to no transmission fluid in here. So I'm gonna have to run back to AutoZone real quick. Put the stop leak in there and also put a normal thing of transmission fluid in there. Oh my God, there is no transmission fluid in there. I don't know if y'all can see this. Like, see, there's a little bit to right there, but none down here. But the whole thing's filled up right here. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should take some out. My thing is that the majority of the oil stops right there. There's like a little hint of it up to hot. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to put, I'm not gonna take any out. I'm just gonna put some in there the way it is right now and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna put some in and see what happens, why it's running. It always said to do it online, why it's running. That's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, well, that was it. We failed at trying to figure out the level of the transmission fluid. Said screw it anyway, just put it in there. Took it for a little test drive. Test drive went well. It is not slipping as bad as it was. I will give it that. It is not slipping as bad as what. It's not shifting as hard as it was in like third gear or third gear. I'm not 100% sure. But one of the gears up in highway speeds, it shifts and it's like bam, and it just hits. I just took it on the highway and it shifted very smoothly, which was good. That's good. It seems to tone down the slipping, tone down the shifting. It is running a little bit smoother. I'm not gonna put any more in it. I probably, if I put the entire bottle in there, it would be completely fixed. But I'm not gonna do that because the dipstick is not giving me accurate representation of what is in the transmission. So I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to lose the transmission just yet. That's what we're gonna leave it at. In the future, when it warms up out here, I'm probably going to be changing the transmission fluid completely, dropping the pan, taking all the fluid out, and replacing it. So that's what we're gonna do in the future. For right now, it's cold, it's winter. I really don't want to be out here working on the car because it's really cold. So yeah, that's it for right now, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, KJM Garage. And you can find me on Twitter too. I do use that occasionally. Alright, I'm gonna go inside because actually it doesn't look cold, but it actually is very cold. I think it's like 37 or 35 right now, which isn't that cold. I'm from the north. So 35 is actually pretty warm. To the southerners, it's like freaking Arctic out here. It's hilarious. But anyway, that's it, guys. I'm sorry for talking so much. I'll see y'all later in the next video, which I don't know what it's gonna be, but it will be something. Okay. Okay. Goodbye.